So hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the NCERT exemplar questions from the alcohol, phenol and ether. So the first question here is monochlorination of toluene in sunlight followed by the hydrolysis with aqueous NaOH yields orthocresol, metacresol 2,4-dihydroxytoluene और बेंजाइल अल्कोहल. तो सबसे पहले आप हमारे पास क्या है, टॉलीन है. टॉलीन का हमने मोनोक्लोरिनेशन, दैट इज in limited supply of chlorine we have chlorination done in sunlight, it will leads to formation of benzyl chloride, and when we perform the hydrolysis of benzyl chloride it will form benzyl alcohol, which means the option D here is the correct answer. Now next question, how many alcohols with the molecular formula C4H10O are chiral in nature? So these are the four isomers which can be possible for the C4H10O. So the first case is the primary alcohol. It cannot be chiral because यहाँ कार्बन पे 2 हाइड्रोजन है. In this case again it is not chiral because again यहाँ पे कार्बन पे 2 हाइड्रोजन है, ये सब्स्टिट्यूटेड अल्कोहल है. अब अगर हम बात करें टर्शरी अल्कोहल की, तो अब अगेन इस कार्बन पे तीनों ग्रुप सेम है, तो ये भी chiral नहीं है. बट द सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल हैव मिथाइल एट वन एंड, इथाइल एट other end, OH at other and H. So this one is the isomer, or this alcohol is the, we can say, chiral in nature. So only one isomer can be possible for this. So that is option A here is the correct answer. Now next question, what is the correct order of reactivity of alcohol in the formation of reaction? So this is an alcohol plus HCl and ZnCl2. ठीक है, अब हमारे पास यहाँ पे अल्कोहल की रिएक्टिविटी बतानी है और हमें पता है कि टर्शरी इज मोर स्टेबल बिकॉज ऑफ द प्लस आई इफेक्ट. सो 3 डिग्री, 2 डिग्री एंड 1 डिग्री. सो हियर ऑप्शन थर्ड इज द करेक्ट हियर, सी हियर इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ द नेक्स्ट, अल्कोहल कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू एल्डिहाइड. नाउ अल्कोहल से हम डायरेक्टली ऑक्सीडेशन से हमें एल्डिहाइड बनाना है. कैटालिटिक हाइड्रोजनेशन, हाइड्रोजनेशन तो रिडक्शन होता है, हमें ऑक्सीडेशन करनी है. ट्रीटमेंट विद LiLH4, अगेन ये रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट है. ट्रीटमेंट विद पायरिडीनियम क्लोरोक्रोमेट, सो दिस इज द आंसर बिकॉज दिस कैन परफॉर्म द पार्शियल ऑक्सीडेशन, वेयर एज KMnO4 इज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट जो इसको इथेनोइक एसिड में कन्वर्ट कर देगा. सो हियर ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ द नेक्स्ट, the process of converting alkyl halide RX into ROH. तो RX और ROH में कैसे convert होगा? By addition, substitution, dehydrohalogenation और rearrangement. So answer will be the substitution because RX, that is X of RX is substitute with the nucleophile OH. So it is a substitution reaction. Now next one is, which of the following compound is an aromatic alcohol? Now first one is the phenol. And this one is benzyl alcohol. So benzyl part is for the alcohol. Again is the substituted benzyl alcohol, and fourth one is again a substituted phenol. So option second and third is the aromatic alcohol. That is here C is the correct answer. Next, give the IUPAC name of the given compound. This is the given compound here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon. 6 carbon stands for hexane with functional group is OH, which is at second position. So it is hexane 2-ol. So in option we have C option here, hexane 2-ol, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chlorohexane 2-ol. So here C is the correct answer. Now next one is, what is the IUPAC name for the metacresol? आपको क्रिसॉल्स सभी जितने भी हैं, ऑर्थो, मेटा, पैरा, सभी के स्ट्रक्चर्स और आईपैक नेम पता होना चाहिए. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, क्रिसॉल बनता कैसे है? वेन एवर यू हैव ए फिनॉल एंड इफ इट इज सब्स्टिट्यूटेड विद अ मिथाइल ग्रुप, सो इट इज एन ऑर्थो क्रिसॉल. सो इट इज नेम्ड एज 1, 2 मिथाइल फिनॉल. तो अब हमें बनाना है मेटा क्रिसॉल. सो दिस इज अ मेटा क्रिसॉल. सो इट इज 1, 2, 3. सो इट इज 3 मिथाइल फिनॉल. सो इफ वी हैव ऑप्शन लाइक 3 मिथाइल फिनॉल, so yes, so A here is the correct answer. Now the next one is, what is the IUPAC name of the compound? So this is compound given to you which is an ether. So alkoxy alkane will be the nomenclature. So alkoxy part here is methoxy here, and chain is 3 carbon propane, where at the second position it is substituted. So it is 2-methoxy. Yes, it is 2-methoxy propane. 1, 2, 3 propane. So here C is the correct answer. Now D also is the correct, but if it is written here common name, then it is isopropyl methyl ether. So for the IUPAC name, here C is the correct answer. Next, which of the following species can act as a strong base? So weakest conjugating acid will act as a strong base here. So for example, this benzene, substituted nitrobenzene, is a strong acid, so it will be the weak base because it has a electron withdrawing group here. Similarly, phenoxide ion also stabilized by resonance, so it is also a strong base here. Similarly, this phenoxide also a strong acid here. So answer here will be the B option. Alkoxide ion is a weakest conjugated acid, so it is the strongest base here. Now the next question, which of the following compound will react with sodium hydroxide solution in water? So first point here is NaOH is only react with phenol and not with alcohol. So all three examples. D here is a simple alcohol, ethyl alcohol. It is a tertiary alcohol. It is a benzyl alcohol. So B, D, C all are alcohol. They do not react with NaOH. So option A here is the correct answer. Next question, phenol is less acidic than. So all 4 options are given to you. So which one is the most acidic here? So nitrophenol is the most acidic, and rest all are substituted with the electron donating group. They will be less acidic. So phenol is less acidic, then only option here is the orthonitrophenol, क्योंकि इथेनॉल ऑलरेडी वीकेस्ट एसिड होता है, तो फिनॉल उससे एसिडिक तो नहीं हो सकता, तो ये बाकी तीनों ही ऑप्शन में. सो नेक्स्ट इज फिनॉल इज लेस एसिडिक देन. ऑप्शन आर गिवन टू यू इथेनॉल जो ऑलरेडी वीकेस्ट एसिड है यहाँ पे, देन ऑर्थोनाइट्रोफिनॉल ये स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट एसिड होगा बिकॉज नाइट्रो इज अगेन अ इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप. ऑर्थोमिथाइल फिनॉल ये इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप है, तो इसकी एसिडिक स्ट्रेंथ वैसे भी फिनॉल से भी कम होगी. ऑर्थोमिथॉक्सी अगेन फिनॉल से भी कम होगी, तो फिनॉल इज लेस एसिडिक देन. ओनली आंसर हियर इज द ऑर्थोनाइट्रोफिनॉल. नाउ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द मोस्ट एसिडिक हियर? बेंजाइल अल्कोहल, नो. साइक्लोहेक्सेनॉल, नो. देन डी पार्ट हियर इज द मेटाक्लोरोफिनॉल and phenol. As we know, phenol both are acidic in nature, but whenever there is an electron withdrawing group, it will increase the acidity of that phenol. So here D here is the correct answer. और alcohol already less acidic होते हैं phenol से. So here option D is the correct answer. Now next is correct order of decreasing acid strength of the following. So acid strength, the correct order for this one is here. Options हैं, the options are with. So all these are options. One is the phenol, then it is the paranitrophenol, metamethoxy, metanitrophenol, and we can say paramethoxyphenol. So out of all these, which one is the strongest one here? The strongest acid here is the second one. अब अगर हमें डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में लगाना है तो सबसे हाईएस्ट सबसे पहले लगाना है. सो 2 here is the correct one. So for in option here, so 2 will be the first member. So in answer only B is having 2 at the first place. Then after that fourth one, that is meta. Yes, it is correct. So B here is the correct answer. Let's discuss what is the order here. 2, 4, then third, that is the metamethoxy, then the first one, and the least one here is the methoxy at the para position. अब एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट यहाँ पे क्या है कि अगर हम बोले मिथॉक्सी फिनॉल और फिनॉल से ज़्यादा एसिडिक क्यों है, क्योंकि जब अगर मिथॉक्सी मेटा पोजीशन पे है तो इट कैन नॉट एक्सर्ट इट्स प्लस आर इफेक्ट. ठीक है, तो ये अपना प्लस आर इफेक्ट एक्सर्ट नहीं कर पाता, सिर्फ और सिर्फ माइनस आई इफेक्ट एक्सर्ट करता है. देयरफॉर मेटा मिथॉक्सी फिनॉल इज स्ट्रॉन्गर एसिड देन द फिनॉल. ठीक है, बट अगर पैरा पोजीशन पे मिथॉक्सी ग्रुप है देन इट एक्सर्ट अ प्लस आर इफेक्ट, ड्यू टू विच it become the weaker acid even than phenol. Now the next question is mark the correct increasing order of reactivity of the following compound. So these are all benzyl alcohol which are reacted with HX. So there will be a substitution reaction. So in this case a carbocation is formed, and in all the cases the benzyl carbocation is formed. So now the stability of the carbocation will, we can say, control this order. So correct increasing order of reactivity. So in this case carbocation is formed here. In this case the carbocation is formed, is destabilized by this nitro group because it is a strong electron withdrawing group. Then Cl is also a withdrawing group, this also destabilized, but nitro will destabilized more because it is the strongest electron withdrawing group. So second will be the least here. So second will be the least here, which means B or C option. After second it must be third, which means C option here is the correct. So second is the least, we can say, reactive, then the third, and the most reactive will be the first one. So here third, C is the correct answer. Next, arrange the following compound in increasing order of their boiling point. So these are the options here: propane 1-ol, butane 1-ol, butane 2-ol, and pentane 1-ol. Boiling point depends upon number of carbon atom, and we have to arrange them in increasing order. So lower carbon comes first, which means propane 1-ol. So in A and B it is given to you. Then from, if we have to choose from 1-ol and 2-ol, then branching decrease the boiling point, which means 2-ol will come first, then 1-ol. So A here is the correct answer. That is initially propane 1-ol, butane 1-ol, butane 2-ol, sorry. So A here is the correct answer. First come the lowest carbon, propane 1-ol, then the branched carbon, butane 2-ol, straight chain of the same number of carbon, butane 1-ol, and in the last, the large number carbon atom containing chain, pentane 1-ol. Now next is, which of the following are used to convert aldehyde into alcohol? Now just observe that it is a 1 degree alcohol here. So the options are, first one is the catalytic reduction, H2 platinum, yes, because reduction of aldehyde is the alcohol product. Then LiLH4 is a strong reducing agent, again it will reduce it into alcohol, this one is also correct. NaBH4 has a special property that it can only and only reduce the aldehyde part, so C part also correct. Then comes the option D. We may possible mark it as correct, but you have to look in the question, that in the question is given RCHO, and in case of any aldehyde, RMGX give rise to the secondary alcohol, and here it is given a primary alcohol, and if here it is written that is HCHO, then only the D option will be the correct. So here A, B and C, all these three options are correct. So in the following question 2 or more options are there. So in the first question A, B and C, all the three options are correct. Now the next question here, which of the following reaction will yield phenol here? So the first part here, fusion NaOH 300 atmosphere H2O H plus, yes, it is a Dawes process. Second case is the, we can say, from benzene diazonium salt, first we form the BDC and then with the warm water we get a phenol. Then third option is also correct, from the oleum we get this part here, benzene sulfonic acid, and then by hydrolyzing we get phenol. So these three options are correct. Then the fourth option here is the chlorobenzene is taken here, and NaOH at 298 Kelvin. Now just remember, this is a very important point. Dawes process only perform at a very drastic condition, that is 300 atmosphere, and here is only 1 atmosphere. So this reaction cannot be possible. Haloarenes generally unreactive, but under drastic condition it shows the Dawes process. So here D is the incorrect and all the three are the correct one. So A, B and C, all these three will leads to answer here, that is phenol preparation here. Next, which of the following can be used for oxidizing primary alcohol to aldehyde? Primary alcohol to aldehyde, which means now oxidation. So first one here is CrO3 in anhydrous medium, yes, chromic oxides convert alcohol into aldehyde. It does the partial oxidation. Whereas KMNO4 is a strong oxidizing agent. It converted into acid. So B option here is incorrect. Pyridium chlorochromate PCC, it is a very important reagent to perform the partial oxidation, that is to convert primary alcohol into aldehyde. So this is the correct answer. Heat in presence of Cu at 573 Kelvin. So in this case also alcohol is converted into the aldehyde here. So in case of 19 question, only B is incorrect. A, C and D, all three are the correct answer here. Phenol can be distinguished from ethanol by the reaction with bromine water. Yes, phenol is unsaturated. It decolorizes the bromine water. This is correct. Na, no. Phenol can also react and ethanol can also be react. So we cannot distinguish phenol and ethanol on the basis of reaction with Na. Neutral FeCl3. Phenol give the violet ring, whereas ethanol does not react. All the above, no. So option A and C here is the correct answer. Now next is, which of the following are the benzylic alcohol? Now benzylic, when the OH is attached to the CH, which is further attached to the benzene ring here. So in the first case, it is not a benzyl alcohol. B, yes, it is a benzyl alcohol. Then comes the C. Yes, it is also attached to a carbon which is further attached to the benzene ring. So it is also benzyl alcohol. And the D, no, because it is attached to a carbon which is further attached to a carbon, not to the benzene ring. So here option B and C are the correct answer. So we have already done all the exemplar questions. Hope you have understand it. For more MCQ, you can watch the video which is already uploaded on the channel. That is the complete revision of alcohol, phenol and ether.